at a party. Shots at a party. Shots at a party. I would like to do shots at a party. Shots at a party. Shots at a party.
Basically, what you want to do is get a 13mm socket on here. I've already cracked it off, so you want to get a 13mm socket on it, loosen it up, wait till you can do it by hand, take it off, bang it in the boot, do whatever. Alright guys, I've took this bit off just so it's easier, I've got more access. But this here, you want one of these, it's a wiper arm removal tool. What you do, you get it behind here, so it grips this here, because if not, this bit gets corrodes and it gets proper stuck. So you just turn it, and it pulls it. There we go. There you go, off. Okay, so up here in these two things, so you can pull it down, there's two Torx screws. I think they're T25 here. What you can either do is get a Torx screwdriver like I have, or you can just get a ratchet and get an extension and put a Torx like socket on the end. But I've got spanners, so I'll just think not spanners, screwdrivers are easier. So all you do, you go up here and you just start taking it out really. That's how, all you got to do, grab the back. Sounds like it's breaking, but it's not, they're just clips. You just got to be brave with it. There you go, comes out in one piece like that. Put all that there. Now this is your motor, this is getting held in by E8 sockets. You got a clip here, and this might seem a bit like awkward and tricky, but all you got to do, yeah, if you get up close, you just lift this bit up, and it just pulls out. And you got another one this side, just pull that back, like that, and bam, just like that. Now you grab your E8 sockets. Alright, so guys, once you got the last one out, what you're going to do, hold the motor like that, and then that would literally just come out like that. That's your motor. Not going to lie, keep this. I recommend keeping it, because if you don't, you're going to have to go to scrapyard or buy a brand new one, and that's just going to be a fair amount of money that you just don't need to spend. Okay, now the motor's out, literally, bang, that just lifts up like that. And you've got a perfectly good hole like that. Wonderful. Alright guys, so this is what I bought you. I got this off of eBay, £5.40, something like that. You got your silicone with it, so it stops like water leaks and all that stuff. Pretty decent, and you're not obviously going to use all that, so you got some silicone, not bad. And this bit, it's a dark colour, so it matches in with your windows. So win-win. It's actually blacked out completely, but yeah. So what you want to do is you're going to clean all this bit up, sort all here out. Right guys, so this will have a white sticker on it here to protect it. Peel that off and put silicone around the edges, just like that, so it just stops the leaks like water when it rains and stuff like that, and when you get your car washed. The last thing you want is water going down there. That's way more than enough, man. You'll see when I start putting it on. Now, what you want to do is put it on from the inside like that. Oh. Like that, and proper squeeze it down. Like that should be enough. And you're going to obviously have excess silicone here. And you got all that, when all that will just wash off.
I bought a Rari just so I can go faster. Niggas trying to copy me, they plan catch up. I might pull up in a